Hi, my name is Jonah and I am here to teach you how to introduce yourself in Bisaya. Are you ready? Previously, we have discussed basic Bisaya greetings. I hope that you still remember all of them because you will be using them today in our introductions. If you missed the video is right there. In this lesson, I will teach you 5 common questions that Bisaya people ask you for them to get to know you better. I will also teach you how to properly respond in its simplest way for these questions. Number 1. What is your name? Unsa imong pangalan? Unsa imong pangalan? Unsa means what? Imong means your. Pangalan means name. Unsa imong pangalan? Unsa imong pangalan? The best and simplest reply for that question would be, ako si, and then you provide your name. Ako si Jonah. Ako si Jonah. To make it more formal, we can say our full name, complete name. Ako si Jonah Gonzalez. Ako si Jonah Gonzalez. Number 2. How old are you? Pila imong edad? Pila imong edad? Pila, it is a question to ask about the number. Imong means your. Edad means your age. Pila imong edad? Pila imong edad? The simplest way to answer that question would be blank, your age, akong edad. 26 akong edad. Example, if you are 26 years old, you can say 26 akong edad. In my case, I am 31, so I would say 31 akong edad. 31 akong edad. Number 3. When is your birthday? Kanus-a imong adlaw natawhan? Kanus-a imong adlaw natawhan? Kanus-a means when. Imong means your. Adlaw natawhan means birthday. Adlaw natawhan. Adlaw natawhan. Kanus-a imong adlaw natawhan? And the simplest way to answer kanus-a imong adlaw natawhan would be the date of your birth, and you say ko natawo. June 16, 1989 ko natawo. Or you can just erase the year and you would say June 16 ko natawo. Ko means me. Natawo means born. June 16 ko natawo. Number 4. Where do you live? Taga-asa ka? Taga-asa ka? Taga-asa ka? Asa means where. Ka means you. Taga, it is a question that Bisaya use for them to ask about location. Taga-asa ka? Taga-asa ka? When Bisaya asks you this question, they could mean they are interested which country, where are you from? Or if you are a co-Filipino who is a non-Bisaya speaker, taga-asa ka means they want to know where you are specifically from in the Philippines. Or they could mean, where are you residing exactly? What is your address? Taga-asa ka? Here's the simplest way to answer that question. You can say, taga, and then insert the address or the country, and then you say, ko. Taga, Amerika ko. Taga-Amerika ko. Or, taga-Philippines ko. I am from the Philippines, so I would say, taga-Philippines ko. If a Filipino is asking me, taga-asa ko, I would say, taga-Davao ko. Taga-Davao ko. Number 5, the last one. What are your hobbies? Unsa imong mga hilig? Unsa imong mga hilig? Unsa means what? Imong means your. Mga, it means plural, okay? Mga. And then hobbies, okay? Hobbies, that's hilig. Hilig. Actually, the direct translation of hilig is like, but Bisaya people, if they're asking about your hobbies, they would just use unsa imong mga hilig. Unsa imong mga hilig. The simplest way to answer unsa imong mga hilig would be ganahan ko, and then you insert your hobbies. Like ganahan ko means I like. Ganahan means like, ko means I. Ganahan ko, in this case, let's say you love learning Bisaya. So you would say, ganahan ko magtuon og Bisaya. Magtuon means study. Og is a connector going to what do you want to study. Bisaya. Ganahan ko magtuon og Bisaya. Or you can change the Bisaya into another language. Ganahan ko magtuon og English, or ganahan ko magtuon og Tagalog, or ganahan ko magtuon og Spanish. Or if you want to insert your hobbies like cooking and then you don't know the Bisaya yet, you could say ganahan ko og cooking. Og means you are about to say a list of things that you like. Ganahan ko og cooking, racing, running, sports, writing. Ganahan ko og studying. Ganahan ko og watching news, movies. Finally, we can introduce ourselves fully from our name down to our hobbies. You usually do this when you are standing in a crowd and they ask you to introduce yourself, or when you are in an interview and they are really interested about you and they would say, introduce yourself in Bisaya. So this is how it goes. You start with a greeting and then you say kumusta, which means hello, and then you start with your name and then your age, and then your birthday, and then your place, where do you live, and the last would be your hobbies. I hope that you have listed everything. Okay, let's start. Example, it's morning. Maayong buntag, kumusta? Ako si Jonah. 31 akong edad. June 16, 1989 ko natawo. Taga Davao ko. Ganahan ko magtuon og Bisaya. Now it's your turn. Just fill in the blanks and try to introduce yourself in Bisaya. I hope that you have learned something, and I hope that you can apply the new words that you have learned today. Thank you so much.